Hey guys, and welcome to another video. So in this video we are going to take a look at the steps you have to take to record your guitar with your Kemper Profiler. So the first step is to connect your Kemper to an audio interface or sound card. I chose for the Scarlett 6i6, which has a SPDIF output. You want a SPDIF output because better quality, so I advise you buy an audio interface with a SPDIF output. In order to connect your Kemper to your audio interface, you put your SPDIF cable in the SPDIF output of the Kemper and then connect it to the SPDIF in of your audio interface. The next step is to tell your audio interface that it needs to listen to the SPDIF out of your Kemper. We are doing this by the Focusrite control app. You can download from the Focusrite website, and there we can tell which hardware inputs needs to be listened to, in which outputs your speaker are connected. After that, make sure your clock source is set to the correct one and your sample rate is also the same as your Kemper. On the Kemper you can check this by going to the output and then checking it in the menu on the SPDIF section. Okay, so now we are ready to record your guitar. I'm using Reaper here, and in Reaper I just have to add a track, set the input also to SPDIF 1, and then I need to arm the track and just start recording. Okay? Okay, so great. That was it for today's video. I hope I helped somebody today. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments down below. Okay? So I see you in the next one. Bye.